Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Olana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled or a different way to style your clip-in extensions. If you guys would like to know what I'm talking about, there's a DIY video right here. We created these DIY extensions yesterday and I figured I will show you guys a way that you can wear them and make them look extremely blended in to your hair, and also just how you can play around with them. And another reason why I kept the 20 inches as 20 inches is because I feel like this gives me a lot of versatility. I can use them for different things and for different parts of my head depending on what look I am going for. So yes guys, I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. Play around with your clip-in extensions. Should you create your own or make your own clip-in extensions, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, anywhere on social media, and let me show me what your results are. I really do appreciate you guys. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye folks, munchkins. So what we have today is bonus style number 2 on how to use your clip-in extensions to create a look that you can rock any time of the day and that you can rock on your 4C hair. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to section my hair from one ear to the other, but only the front part of my hair, so almost as if I'm creating a third. I'm sectioning a third of my hair out of the way. Then I'm going to take 2 scrunchies and I'm going to create a middle parting, and then I'm going to separate my hair into 2. The reason why I'm separating my hair into 2 is honestly I can't section or hold that section in the front there using one scrunchie. So because my hair is short, I always have to do with, you know, with what I have. You work with what you have. And then after you're done doing that, you're now just going to cornrow or flat twist the back part of your head, or the rest of the hair. You're just putting it down, you're flat twisting, cornrowing, whatever it is that you prefer or whatever it is that you're good at. The reason why I'm stopping is because my hand, you guys, like every single time that I'm doing all of this, be it applying gel, my hand is really just telling me that I shouldn't be working. But anyways, bear with my cornrows. They're gonna be a little bit crusty for a very long time because I have to stop and start and stop. And I don't actually know how much I use my pinky, but you actually do need your pinky a lot because I hurt my hand along my pinky side of the hand. So basically most of the motions that you do from picking up a cup, you didn't know this, but your pinky works, your pinky's there, it's fighting for your life. So anyways, you're just going to cornrow the back, flat twist it if you can. You can choose how many styles you want, how many cornrows you want. The reason why I didn't do too many is because my actual clip-in extensions are very bulky, so there's no need for me to have a lot of cornrows there at the back because this is kinky hair after all, so it's going to be very bulky at the end. Then I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to lay the front part down. That's why we had left it out of the way, is because we are laying it down using our Eco Styler gel. So just work your Eco Styler gel through your hair, use a comb, brush it through, brush it through, brush it through, and then sleek it down. Make sure that the way that you brush it through is the style that fits your and suits your face. Like, you know, a middle parting doesn't mean that your hair must just, you know, go however. You should choose a way that frames your face right, or that frames your face the way that you like. And now that I'm done doing that, I'm just going to kind of flat twist the ends of that hair, and then I'm going to take an elastic band and I'm just going to tie the hair and on the ends or at the corners, just to make sure that it doesn't unravel and it stays in place. Like, I really want the gel part of my hair to stay in place until it's dry. I don't want it to move. I don't want to play games with me. I really want it to stay in place. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tie my doek or your silk scarf or whatever scarf that you use to sleek down your hair and wait for it to dry. You can do this overnight, you can do it in the morning whilst you're doing your makeup, depending on how much gel you actually use for your sleeked down looks. Yeah, it depends on how, that's how you know how long it's going to take. And then I am now going to just take in my DIY clip-in extensions, which is why these are so amazing. And guys, no more bobby pins, no more sewing in, none of that, because you've made your own DIY clip-in extensions. All you basically have to do is take your clip-in extensions and start clipping them in. Don't forget to fluff them, play around with them until you have your desired length, style, and frame. You can also cut these. I didn't cut them because I want them to be that long, because I'm going to be using them for different styles. So my 20-inch clip-ins I left as 20 inches, and then I used, let's say, like shorter ones in the front. So I was kind of mixing and matching so that I can get the volume without it being obviously like weird or having some places that are too long or too short or whatever. And the nice thing about this curly hair is it kind of stretches out. So even if you were to use the 16-inch in the back, when you pull it, it kind of just lengthens out. You can use leave-in conditioner to fluff the hair and make it desirable for you. And then now I'm just going to clip in those parts using bobby pins just to get them out of the way. And I'm going to add my final clip-in extension, which is from one ear to the next, basically following that section that I created earlier on. And then I'm just going to clip. This clip-in extension actually has 3 clips as opposed to the rest that have 2. And once I've done doing that, I'm going to add my darling braid. I've just braided this darling braid to make a braid Alice band of sorts. This is just a way to cover the weft of your weave, the one that you use to make your clip-in extensions. Obviously, I haven't tried actually twisting the clip-in extensions, some of the hair from the clip-in extensions, and seeing how it works, but this is the easiest way that you can do so. So you can create an Alice band using you can create one using twists, or you can actually braid it, or you can use Ankara material. You play around with it and make it your own. This is just a different way that you can use the same clip-in extensions to make a beautiful hairstyle that you can rock to a wedding, to work, to grad that's coming up soon. So yeah guys, have fun with your clip-in extensions. I really hope that you guys find this tutorial helpful and you find the clip-in extension tutorials very helpful. I love you so much. Thank you honey so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate you guys. If you have any comments, or if you have any suggestions, or if there's anything that you guys would like me to film, please feel free to leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing feedback from you guys. And should you make your own clip-in extensions, please to tag us, tell us what hair you used, if you found it difficult, how easy it was, and how much you're enjoying your clip-in extensions. Anyways honeys, have a beautiful day. I love you, mwah, 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 mwah. And if you're still here, here's the DIY video. Watch it. Do yourself a favor and watch it. Mwah.